The assertion of Asha Watertafumane, a long-serving intelligence officer, former Deputy Director General of the Central Intelligence Organization CIO, and founding figure of the ruling party ZANU-PF, the election mobilization outfit, Forever Associates of Zimbabwe FAS, to the helm of the Zimbabwe National Army, ZNA, marks a significant moment in Zimbabwe's evolving civil-military power configuration. Sabina mashoko kubuda panguva ino chinzi FAS boss officially takes over ZNA leadership. To subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina panawo mudanyora chiti Tafumane officially last Thursday assumed command at Charles Gumbo Barracks in Harare, with the commander of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, General Emmanuel Matatu, formally handed over the ZNA colors, sealing a leadership transition that is widely seen as deepening President Emmerson Mnangagwa's consolidation of military authority. The handover parade, held on the historic KG6 Square, drew hundreds of officers and senior government officials. It symbolized not only a routine military transition, but also the reshaping of Zimbabwe's security architecture in ways consistent with Mnangagwa's political strategy since taking power in 2017. General Matatu, who recently assumed the full ZDF command, urged the new army chief to uphold unity, discipline, and combat readiness. The Zimbabwe National Army has to be prepared to defend the nation as everyone looks up to us for the maintenance of peace and unity, he said, expressing confidence that the new commander would move the army forward. Lieutenant General Tafumane, delivering his inaugural address, expressed gratitude to President Mnangagwa for entrusting him with command. He pledged loyalty, professionalism, and dedication to defending Zimbabwe's sovereignty and territorial integrity, echoing long-standing ZDF doctrine and signaling continuity with the political military line favored by the current administration. Since the 2017 military-assisted transition that removed Robert Mugabe, President Mnangagwa has worked to restructure the security sector to weaken old military networks, aligned with former ZDF commander Constantino Chiwenga, who played a central role in the coup and remains Mnangagwa's main rival in the ZANU-PF succession matrix. Tafumane's appointment must be read in this context. It follows other senior military reshuffles through which Mnangagwa has promoted loyalists from the intelligence and first-linked structures, retired or reassigned commanders suspected of harboring loyalty to Chiwenga, shifted power away from traditional army elites towards politicized intelligence actors, integrated fast into the security political system, making it function as a hybrid political and intelligence structure embedded within communities. Thomas Wanamdai toka panguva ino is first boss achuya achitora matomo with the ZNA. Pila kuma section medu za fungo enyu mutu kudipa msuru pechitko ichi. So subscribe or like achitomba bell icon.